Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI. I'm happy to report I finally was able to find beautiful wall art to go in our bedroom. This set from Time Tree is a beautiful botanical wall art set. It comes with 3 different pieces and 3 different frames, so you can use them all together like I did here, or you could also split them up in different rooms or different walls of your house, which I absolutely love that option. These pieces really stuck out to me because they each were unique but similar, so it brought the whole collection all together. I love that it also features a variety of different colors, so if I want to change up the decor in the bedroom, I certainly can. It has navies, oranges, yellows, greens, and other blues, so it's really easy to match any decor. This set features a gold frame, which I love. It gives somewhat of a little retro and unique look to our bedroom. I have them spaced out over our king-size bed, and I think it's the perfect size. If you're looking for some new wall art, check out Time Tree. That's just my point of view.